Hey everybody, this is Jenny with JAGMTE, and I have a little tip for you today. Now that the temperatures are dropping, you might find it difficult to install your two-handle strap. So I will show you how to do it when the temperatures drop. So I will show you that this one I can't get on. Temperatures are dropping and the strap is just tightening and I simply can't get it on. So, here's my tip. Go inside and get the hottest water that you can. Put it in a bucket, put your strap in, and let it soak for a couple of minutes. We're just going to move it around, make sure it's all nice and warm. I like to dry it off a little bit, just so it's not quite so wet when I'm working with it. Put it on the same way. But this time, when you go to slide it on, it goes on with ease. And that's my tip. Thank you.